Daddy
and
Kittens! 8 o'clock, I read a book. Who's that in the garden?
Hello everyone! Today we'll make an alarm clock. To make an alarm clock we need color tough papers. We need glue. We need thin marker. We need paper fastener. We need scissors. Don't forget, you cannot use the scissors if your parents are not around. We need pencil. And we need some bows so we can redraw the shape. Are you ready? Go! What number goes here?
12.
Okay, Daddy is writing 12. What number goes here?
3.
3. What number goes here?
6.
6. What number goes here? Here?
9.
9. Okay.
game. What time is it?
It's 5 o'clock.
What time is it?
It's 8 o'clock.
What time is it?
It's 12 o'clock.
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
What time is it?
It's 6 o'clock.
What time is it?
It's 11 o'clock.
Well done.
Stop playing with. Stop playing with. Stop playing with. Stop playing with. Hey, stop playing with that clock. Did you hear me? Come here.
Sponsored by IQ English.